Hi everyone, this is Roma. Welcome to the Firangi kitchen. Today I am going to make an easy and simple recipe, lemon pepper chicken. Let's get started. For this, I am using 500 grams chicken. I am going to marinate it with 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Freshly crushed black pepper 1 teaspoon, little bit salt and fresh lemon juice 1 teaspoon. Give it a nice mix and keep it aside for 30 minutes. On a medium-high flame, I am adding 4 tablespoons of white oil. Once oil in the pan heats up, I am adding the marinated chickens one by one. Let's flip the chicken pieces and allow this to cook until golden brown. Now we can see these chicken pieces are golden brown and partially cooked. Now we keep it all aside. Here I'll continue to use the same pan where within the remnants of the oil I'll add some whole spices like couple of cloves and generous amount of whole black pepper, followed by ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon. Let's toss it for 1 minute or so. Followed by, here I am adding half cup of yogurt. Cooking it for 1 minute. When the bubbles comes up, I am adding half cup of water mixed with 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Sugar is the key to this recipe. It will balance out the sourness of lemon. Here I am adding pinch of salt and followed by some chili flakes. Mix it all together. One by one, adding all the fried chicken pieces. Adding 1 tablespoon of butter and covering it for 8 to 10 minutes. And voila! Our chickens are thoroughly cooked and ready to be served with some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Please do like and subscribe us for more recipe updates. See you in the next vlog.